Mga kaibigan, nandito na naman ako. I'm here again. Magluluto tayo ngayon. I'm going to cook rigatoni chicken pasta. Rigatoni chicken pasta with combination of marinara and Alfredo sauce. Okay? Combination of Alfredo and marinara sauce. I forgot the name of this. There's a name of this. May pangalan ito na combination. Isang pangalan lang nila. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo. Chicken breast. Isusutin muna natin ang chicken breast natin. Okay. Ang paglagay ko ng garlic, mamaya na kung maluto ng chicken, kay masusunog ang masusunog yung garlic natin. Ano mga kaibigan? Dito na tayo. Tingnan niyo yung pagluto ko. Madali ko maluto kay chicken breast. Okay. Hindi natin lagyan ng onion. Ang garlic. Wala kasi kung fresh basil. Maganda sana. It's nice if I have a fresh basil. Maybe next time. If I cook this time. Lagyan natin ng chicken stock. Vegetables. Tutulog sa taas. Kailangan lulutuin natin yung chicken. Manok. Be sure the chicken is cooked. Done. Gonna put the sauce. Marinara sauce and Alfredo sauce. May meatball pa rin ito. Look. Look. Pasta.
This was kind of narrow, huh?
Huh?
This was kind of narrow.
Yeah. Karamihan. Rigatoni. Chicken rigatoni pasta with Alfredo and marinara sauce. So you're gonna paste. Oh. Mix herb. Okay. This is a finished product item. Come with me. I'm going to plate up, okay? Hindi ko napakita paano ko linagay. Okay? Hindi ko napindot wala kasing cameraman. Ito. Rigatoni chicken pasta with Alfredo and marinara sauce. Look like blondie, right? Not white, not red. This is a blondie kind of pasta. The sauce. Okay, and don't forget your Parmesan cheese. Okay guys, tingnan pa natin itong kaya maganda sa mga. This is the one. Rigatoni chicken pasta with Alfredo, combination of Alfredo and marinara sauce. Okay, yeah. This is the one from Casey Numa channel. Ito ang paggawa ko. Ito. Ganyan. Ganyan ang paggawa ko. Okay? Rigatoni chicken pasta with Alfredo and marinara sauce. The color is not red, it's not white. Look like blondie. Mixed together, mixed there. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe from Casey Numa channel. If you want to learn how to make this one, just give me comments and then maybe I will give you the how I do it, this one. Paano ko ginawa? Para naman tayo, hindi naman sabihin na hindi ko sa'yo ang sikreto ko. Gusto ko makashare ng knowledge ko ng pagluluto. Parang masayang pakiramdam ko. Maluwag ang pakiramdam ko kung nakakaturo ako ng ibang tao na paano magluto, paano gawin. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay ng channel ko. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Until next time, hanggang sa susunod.